What's up, everybody? It's Ricky Analog, half of the Spro Bros, the Super Spro Bros. You know how it goes. This is a video on how to change your burrs on your Mazzer Super Jolly. That way you can get your grind on. Woo! So we got our new burrs in the mail. Compliments Prima Coffee. That was really fast shipping. 2-day shipping for free on orders over $40. So that was pretty cool. Literally got here just as fast as if Amazon had shipped it. Feel how sharp they are. They're beautifully precision tooled. The only thing about these threads is that they're reverse threads. Top burr. You can see all the caked up coffee grinds in there. I'm gonna start by, we're also gonna clean this as we do the replace. So there is the hole where the coffee comes through. You can just jam another screwdriver down there. It'll make it so that these don't spin. See, we're just using this screwdriver here to keep everything from moving on us. We'll just use the lid to the doser to hold the bolts. It's just 3 bolts that hold this burr in place. And these are, I have never replaced these burrs. And I bought this used off somebody off Craigslist over a year ago. This right off. The only thing really holding them on that well is all these coffee grinds. Side by side comparison to just, oh yeah. There's no comparison at all. Any doubts I had that replacing these was gonna make a difference have all dissipated. So we're gonna clean this off. I believe this screw is the only thing holding this collar on. I'm gonna take this off and see if we can slide it. All right, so putting the new burrs on is as simple as doing what we just did in reverse order. The top burr. Just line the holes up. The last thing you want to do is strip these. So take careful to not. You don't need to get them too tight. Just tighten up, they're not going to come off. So I'm not tightening these down all the way yet. I'm just tightening them down enough, and then I am gonna jam that in there again, so that this thing can't move nowhere. Tighten it down just enough, a little bit more, so that they're secure. And that is done. You just want to make sure that these 3 things here go into the spring-loaded columns that keep pressure pushed back up against it. You're actually just you're gonna have to push down a little on that in order to get this collar to grab. And remember, it's backwards, so it's gonna be lefty tight. So what you do is you tighten it down pretty much all the way. And you can spin the burrs inside by grabbing the spindle in the middle. And you can just spin it. And if it spins freely, you know that you got some more tightening to do. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten it down to where you can't spin it, which is because the burrs are actually touching. And then we're just gonna back it off a bit to where they spin. But the way to dial it in is you're gonna turn it on and you're gonna tighten it down slowly until you hear like a whistling sound, which is the metal burrs just barely touching. And when you get that sound, you can turn it off and just back it off a little bit, and then you know you're in the right area. So you don't hear any metal on metal. We're gonna tighten it down. Hear that? That's how you know you're good. Back off a little, and that gives you a good little area to start dialing it in for your grind. This hopper needs to be cleaned really badly. Let's see how nasty that is. But I need a latte right now, so we'll clean it later. Hope you guys found this video informational and useful. Your man over here, Ricky Analog, one half of the Spro Bros. If you got a Mazzer, now you know how to change out your burrs.